Hi guys, it's Victor Ogunsola Mayor again. Uh, I hope you've enjoyed previous lectures that I've uploaded on YouTube where I had to speak on motivational theories. And there was also the second lecture, brief one on marketing. Today we're going to be speaking on a very important topic in the field of business management, and that topic is quality. So today I'm going to be teaching briefly on quality management. So we'll be asking ourselves what indeed is quality, and then we'll be asking ourselves why should organizations manage quality within their businesses. Also, we will be asking ourselves what are the methods for managing quality? That is, what methods should businesses use to manage quality within their organizations? And then we'll be asking ourselves, how can we measure quality? How can we know if we are doing well or we are not doing well? And then there will be a conclusion on the quality management generally. So please stay tuned and enjoy. So let's ask ourselves, what is quality? Quality is fit for purpose. Quality is fit for use. Quality is when we as customers get what we want at a fair price. That is, we can say quality is value for money. Quality is about customer satisfaction. But these days, I always say it shouldn't just be about customer satisfaction. Quality should make customer to be delighted. So quality should surpass satisfaction. Customers must be pleased, and the customers must indeed be delighted. That's when they can recommend people. That's when they can recommend their friends, their families, their colleagues to patronize our businesses. Okay, but what did the experts define quality as? The American quality guru W. Edward Deming, he said quality can be defined by the customer. This is amazing. This means what is quality to you may not be quality to me. So if you are wearing a Versace suit and it's costing you uh, $2,000, and I'm wearing a very cheap suit that is costing me $100, you're not in any position to tell me that what I'm wearing is not quality. As long as it is value for money for me, as long as it is fit for purpose, fit for use for me, as long as I am satisfied wearing my $100 suit, as long as I am pleased and delighted wearing that $100 suit, according to W. Edward Deming, for me, that is quality. So again, according to W. Edward Deming, the American quality guru, quality can be defined by the customer. Now, why should organizations manage quality? You see, the era where customers are loyal to business organizations, that era is long gone. I mean, back in the days, you could ask somebody, why do you bank with Barclays Bank? And the answer would be, that's where my grandfather used to bank, that's where my father used to bank, and it's just a family bank. Or you say to somebody, why do you always eat at McDonald's? Oh, while we were young, my mom used to take us to McDonald's every time we were out to eat, and that's why I still love eating there. That era of customer loyalty is long gone. This era, there are so many alternatives, and we have so many to choose from. So we are customers are definitely going for value for money. We are customers want to be satisfied, we want to be pleased, and we want to be delighted. So as a result of this, business organizations must render quality services and quality operations. Business organizations, again, I say, must render quality services and quality operations. If there is an organization that is not rendering quality services or quality organizations, simple, customers will stop patronizing such an organization, and then they will start patronizing their rivals. So we are saying if you're an organization and you want to have sustainable competitive advantage over your rivals in the business, you have to render quality services, quality operations. Now, how can organizations manage their quality? In other words, what are the methods available for organizations to manage quality? There are different methods, but the first one we are going to look at is called quality control, normally known as QC. Here, the key word here is inspection. So business organizations go ahead with production, they go ahead with their services, and at the end of the production, they start to inspect. What are they inspecting? Why are they inspecting? They are looking for errors. They are looking for deviation of standards. They are looking for lack of conformance. They want to make sure that the error, or if there's an error, it does not get to the end user. It does not get to the customer. So this system again is known as quality control. It's about inspection. It's about looking for deviation of standards. It's about looking for lack of conformance, making sure that the errors does not get to the final consumers. Now, the next method organizations can use to manage their quality is the quality assurance method, normally known as QA. For this method, organizations are having a zero tolerance to errors from the very beginning. So when organizations are embarking on production, when they are embarking on their services or operations, from the very beginning, they have a zero tolerance to quality problems. They make sure that everything is right from the very beginning. That is why we define quality assurance as the prevention of quality problems and establishment of quality standards through documented procedures. So I leave you to judge. Would you rather use quality control, the first one I explained, or would you rather use quality assurance? But let's go to the third method organizations can use to manage quality. This is a very interesting method known as total quality management, which is known as TQM. By TQM, we mean everybody in the organization is involved in quality management. Have you been to an organization and right from the doorman to the receptionist to the manager and then to the strategic management, the CEOs and directors, everybody is rendering quality services. What they are practicing in such an organization is total quality management, TQM. This is why the British Standard Institute, BSI, defined TQM as the application of quality management principles to all aspects of the organization, including customers and suppliers. Everybody within the business organization, at the operational level of management, to the tactical level of management, to the strategic level of management, everyone is involved in quality management. That is TQM. It's a very interesting approach or method to managing quality. Now, at this point, I must inform us that managing quality is not a stagnant concept. It is not a stagnant concept. It must be a continuous process, which brings me to the final method for managing quality, which is called continuous improvement. This continuous improvement in Japan is also known as Kaizen. Okay, it's not a stagnant process. What was quality? The method we used to manage quality in the 1970s will never. What am I saying in the 1970s? The method that was used to manage quality in the 1999 will not be the same method that we can use to manage quality now. So quality has to be managed on a continuous basis. So continuous improvement, Kaizen as it is called in Japan, we are always looking for improvement. We are not looking for major breakthroughs. We are looking for small but regular steps forward. No wonder Japan has one of the best manufacturing industries in the world today. Perhaps it's because of continuous improvement. Okay, perhaps organizations like Nokia back in the 2006, 2005, 2004, Nokia, mobile manufacturer, mobile phones manufacturer Nokia was the best in the industry. Perhaps they did not use the concept of continuous improvement, and that is why they went out of market. And then we have the Apples and the Blackberries coming as leaders in the market today. That's for you to think about anyway. So continuous improvement, uh, quality must be a continuous process within the organization. Always we are looking or seeking for improvement strategies within the organization, and we are looking for small and regular steps forward every time. Now, those are the methods that organizations can use to manage quality. Again, it was quality control, which was about inspection, lack of conformance, looking for lack of conformance, looking for deviation of standards, making sure the error does not get to the consumers. And the next one was quality assurance, QA, where I said you prevent quality problems from the very start and you establish quality standards from the very start. Okay. And the third one, like I said, was TQM, where you involve everybody within the organization in the process of managing quality. And then we came to the final one when we said continuous improvement, as known in Japan as Kaizen. Quality is not stagnant, it must be regular. Every time within the organization, you're looking for improvement, you're coming up with improvement strategies. Now, how can we measure quality? How do we know if we are doing well with our method ways or modes of operations or not? Have you heard of benchmarking? All you have to do is to benchmark. What is benchmarking? Benchmarking is a simple concept whereby you compare your practices within your organization with the practices of the best organization in the industry you operate in. Okay, for example, if it's a university in England and they want to benchmark their admission processes, let's say London Metropolitan University in London, United Kingdom, wants to benchmark its own admission processes. All they have to do is to compare their admission processes with the admission processes of the best university in England, which will be Oxford University or Cambridge University, and then they can learn a lot from that best university and bring those practices into their own organization. So you want to measure quality, you can benchmark. Other other methods of measuring quality would be getting feedback from your customers and your clients. That's a very important method as well and a valuable one. So you can get feedbacks from your customers, from your clients, and then you can know the areas that you're doing well, and then you can capitalize and improve on those areas. And in those areas where there are lots of complaints, you can work and improve, try to improve on that area. So let's come to a conclusion. We see that as business organizations do not have a choice. They have to render quality services because the era of customer loyalty is long gone. Customers want value for money. They want to consume goods or they want services that are fit for purpose and fit for use. Customers want to be satisfied, they want to be pleased, and they want to be delighted. Uh, have you enjoyed this lecture? Are you an organization and you're looking for CPD courses for your staff, perhaps on customer service, perhaps on quality management, or other related workshops or seminars that will help your staff improve in their operations? Then you can contact us on our website, www.managementworld.co.uk, or you can email us at info@managementworld.co.uk, or you can reach me directly at victor@managementworld.co.uk. Again, the website is www.managementworld.uk. Thank you very much. If you have any enquiries or you have any comments or suggestions, please feel free to make a comment here on YouTube. Thank you very much, and I hope to join you again soon with another interesting lecture in the field of business management. Thank you very much. Bye.